Kiharo-ini gia Kasarani miaraho ya umuthi nikuo kuma gitumiro kia atongoria a ciama ngurani cia kiuteti aria meguikinyitie kigomano-ini kia ajumbe a kiama kia ODM na kiria gikindirire mutongoria wa Raila Odinga gukahuranira atongoria wa bururi githurano-ini giukite.
As ODM today, we endorsed our party leader, and I want to tell you, it is my hope and prayers and belief that on the 9th of August at 11 p.m. the 5th president of the Republic of Kenya shall be Raila Odinga.
Mimi nitabeba bendera ya chungwa bila uoga wowote, bila wasiwasi wowote. Niko tayari kumenyana na wale wengine ambayo wanajigamba.
Agitugiria unyiti mbaru uyu Odinga ugite niehariirie wega gutwarithia bururi nambere kuma haria President Kenyatta akautigira guku atongoria aria magwikinyitie kigomano-ini giki mamuhuriire ndebe gukaiyukia uhotani githurano-ini giki kia mwaka uyu.
The only thing that will make the ultimate difference in the life of our people is unity. Unity, unity, unity. Getting Kenya together is a battle we must fight and win.
Unyitanĩri ũyũ wa ciama cia ODM na Jubilee thĩinĩ wa ngwatanĩro ya Azimio la Umoja ũkĩtio na thutha wa ng'ethanĩro mũnene ũrĩa ciama ici cianakorwo naguo hau kabere. Ũndũ ũrĩa Odinga ugĩte nĩ kĩonereria kĩa ũrĩa maũndũ mangĩgarũrũka na ihenya thĩinĩ wa ũteti wa gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ. Gũkũ President Kenyatta mũtũgĩrĩtie ta mũndũ mwendi thayũ na ũngĩtwarithia bũrũri na mbere.
What we have witnessed in recent days and what shall be happening in the coming days is a clear demonstration that the often undeclared but often raging and civil war between our communities, political parties, leaders and regions can end if we choose to do so. We have evidence before us that politics does not have to burn our country.
It is not Raila who is a man of war, because if he was a man of war, he would have resisted any attempt at peace between him and President Kibaki. If he was a man of war, he would have resisted any attempt at making the handshake happen.
Kuma ciama ici rĩu itanyĩtwo gũtabania mĩcemanio ya mũingĩ ituri-inĩ ciothe cia bũrũri nĩguo kwendia ngwatanĩro ya Azimio la Umoja na kũmatha kura kũrĩ mũingĩ gũkũ mathingatĩte nginya atongoria arĩa angĩ kũnyitana nao.
What we are looking to do is to create a movement that delivers Kenya safely across the Rubicon to the other side. That is what we are looking for.
Long journey begins today. The journey will take us back to the homes, villages, towns, and cities across the country, where we first sought and got the mandate to run this race.
Raila sio project ya serikali. Raila sio project ya Uhuru. Raila hakuniuliza mimi chochote wakati alikuja kuunga serikali yangu when I had need. Vile mimi hakuna kitu nauliza kwa Raila. Mimi nataka good leadership for our country.
Gwikinya gwa President Kenyatta kigomano-ini kia ajumbe a kiama kia ODM kuhurite njeki mĩeke ya Odinga githurano-ini kia mwaka uyu. Gũkũ ahũthĩrĩte mweke ũyũ kũmũhũrĩra ndebe ta gũkorwo arĩ we mwagĩrĩru mũno kũiyũkia ũtongoria wa bũrũri kuma kũrĩ we mwaka ũyũ. Ngĩribotera Kameme TV kuma Kasarani, njĩtagwo Mwaura wa Gunya.